All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. 6-in-1 miners we've been talking about. Well, today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. Yep, it's bouncing back. It's up 72% right now. Ding, 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 ding. Did you hear that? It's up 72%. We're going to go to the charts. We're going to go to their website. We're going to go to their Twitter. We're going to do a little deep dive. The next thing we're going to talk to also is about one of those crop farmers. You know it, USDC crop farmers. Reason we like USDC is it's pegged to $1. I don't have to worry about waking up in the morning and losing 20% of my gains because the coin is down. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own it, get in some projects, and having a good time with it. All right, everybody, let's head over to Terra Luna. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look at that. Is that crazy, seeing that green? Yeah, Terra Luna is down 27% for the week, but today, on Sunday, it's up 77%. You heard that right. It's up 77% today. It's ranked at number 212. Also want to show you this real quick. Take a look at trending. Terra USD is trending. It's up 16%. And Terra Luna is the #1 trending coin right now, right here on CoinMarketCap. That's why we're doing this video. Out of every coin on the planet, Terra Luna is the #1 trending coin. All right, clicking it. Taking a look right here, it's got 1, 2, 3 zeros and an 1837, up 75% today. Take a look at this chart real quick. This is a fantastic chart to be looking at. Now, I do understand what you're all thinking. But Frank, 2 weeks ago, it was $100 a coin. I get it. It was a lot better 2 weeks ago, and it was a lot better when the coin was higher. But you have to give credit where credit is due, that it's up 72% today. Look at this chart. You would literally have to have an ATV road vehicle to go up this mountain. Looking real good. Let's go over to their Twitter account. All right, it says Terra powered by Luna. May 19th, we published an addendum to the proposal 1623, incorporating the community's feedback since the publication 2 days ago. Please see the below. So you're going to want to check this out. Also, an Anchor protocol 2 days ago. For those that would like to bridge your BETH off of Terra Ethereum, here's how you do it. You send your BETH to the Terra Ethereum, swap it for STETH. Your yield stake will be right around 3.85% APR. Going down a little more. Number 2, a new proposal, Proposal 1747. A new proposal, Prop 1744, has been posted and updated. If it passes, the proposal will burn the rest of UST in the community pool, the cross-chain liquidity incentive UST. Proposal 1188 to burn the remaining of UST in community pool and cross-chain liquidity incentive UST passed, but it did not successfully execute due to the technical issues. It is attempting to burn more UST for the pool than existed. All right, so as we can see, Terra Luna is trying to do all kinds of things to make this coin bounce back. Wanted to show you something over here at Frank's Crypto Corner. Take a look at, there's all these zeros. I actually bought about $100 of Terra a while back. I wanted to show you this when it was going down. I have 989,890. I almost have 1 million Terra Lunas. I'm going to throw this in a calculator. Here we go, 989,890 times what it's worth, 3 zeros, 0.000, 1861. I put $100 into this, and right now it's worth 184. Now, my thinking is if this coin gets up to a penny, now imagine if this went up to a penny. Let me throw this in here. That's why I invested a whole $100. Now remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. You have to do your own homework. My stuff, I'm documenting my journey. So again, don't listen to all these YouTubers. Do your own homework. But if this coin went to a penny, 0.1, my $100 were turned into about $10,000. So I believe in this project. Terra Luna is trying to come back. What if Terra Luna went to, say 20 cents? 989,890, and if it went to 20 cents, holy cow, my $100 would turn into a $197,000 investment. So for all you out there buying Bitcoin and Ethereum and Polkadot and Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and all the different coins you're buying, you may actually want to do that. Now, I know I saw on some of the threads that people were having a hard time buying it. It was very simple for me. I went to PancakeSwap. I swapped $100 for Terra Luna, and now it's in my wallet. So I know there's other ways you can do it. A couple people told me a different way. You could get it at KuCoins. That's fine. You could do that. It was real simple for me to swap $100 and get some Luna today. All right, over at Terra Luna's website, Terra 2.0 is nearly here. So Terra is a public blockchain protocol with passionate community and a deep development talent pool. If you haven't been over to the website, you're going to want to take a look at it. Join the vibrant Terra Luna ecosystem and lunatic community. Terra's ecosystem is booming. Join the creators, builders, and users of Terra's ecosystem to pioneer the future of DeFi online community. Build on Terra. Discover Terra ecosystem. They have a lot of good things going on. They got their smart contract platform, their deep development talent pool, built on the Cosmos SDK and Tendermint. It says right here, support, join, and diversify rapidly growing ecosystem of projects across DeFi, Web3, and NFTs. Learn more about Terra. Build on Terra. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. If I do a good job, there's a thanks button. You can go ahead and hit the thanks too. So do me a favor, give me your thoughts on the bottom. Are you doing the Terra Luna? I know there are a lot of people that had it when it was $100 and had it when it was $90. You're really sad right now. I get it. Nobody's happy. But even that $100 that I put into Terra Luna, it is helping to support their ecosystem. I am an investor, so I am looking for it to go back to 20 cents. Holy cow, imagine if that thing went to $1. I mean, let's throw that in there. If that went to $1, I know you can't see it on the screen. I'm just going to do it. 989,890 times $1. Yep, I'd have $1 million, almost $1 million. That'd be fantastic. All right, what we're going to do right now is we're going to go over to USDC Crop Farmers. I just claimed some money yesterday. I haven't got all my money back yet. I think I'm about 60% of my money returned. But the way it works is every 5 days you compound your money. It's 10 times you compound every 12 hours. So 12 hours to 1 day, and then 12 hours later is a full day. So you actually compound for 5 days. You let your cart fill up for the 6th day. You let your cart fill up for your 7th day, and then you claim all your money. After I show you USDC Crop Farmers, I'm going to go over to BNB Crop Farmers because I'm going to be claiming today. All right, over here at USDC Crop Farmers, take a look. This contract has $296,000 locked in the contract. For you that don't know about this project, it pays 8% daily. 29.20 APR, 8% referral bonus. I'll leave my link at the bottom if you like this project. You get a 4% hiring bonus. Every time you hire farmers, it's going to be 4%. Well, dig this. You have to hire them 10 times. 10 times 4%. By the time you get to your end, you have a 40% bonus. I don't even know why they do that 4% bonus because they don't have to. Because let me read the rest of it. It takes 12 hours to compound your money. There's a 4-hour cooldown period. Once you have your cart, it takes 48 hours to fill up, but right here, 80% tax. If you claim your money before you've compounded 10 times, they're going to charge you an 80% tax. This is just my opinion. If they're charging you an 80% tax, I don't know why they're rewarding you with the 4% bonus. I'm not complaining about it, but 4% times 10, by the time it's the 10th bonus, I have a 40% bonus. That doesn't even need to be on there because if I claim my money, I get charged 80%. So they're rewarding all of us for something that we have to do anyways because you're not going to claim your money and get charged 80% tax. For example, if you don't know what I'm saying, if you had $100 in rewards there and you claimed it before you were supposed to claim it, they would keep $80 of your 100 for taxes. That money would stay into the contract. So it actually strengthens the contract. But who would do that? Why would you take your $100 and claim it early and only get 20 of it? So you're going to follow the system the way you're supposed to. Scrolling down a little bit here. Take a look here. I put $500 into this program. I've already got $324 back. That's probably about 60% return. I just claimed, if you look at here, I've compounded 2 times. My cart will be filled in 43 hours. I'm actually making $29 a day with this program. Now right here, in 7 hours and 56 minutes, I will be claiming my money. Okay, I'm sorry, in 7 hours and 55 minutes, I will be hiring more crop farmers. And they'll give me an 8% bonus right here. Now notice right here, if I wanted to go ahead and claim the money right now, I have $5 sitting in there. They would keep 80% of it. which would be taxes. Okay, so again, this is one of my favorite projects. Let's go over to BNB Crop Farmers. Right now, there's 29.17 staked in this contract. Let's find out how much money it is. I believe BNB right now is around $317. So let's take this. Let's see how much money is in this contract, everybody. So $317 times 29.17 BNB. So there's almost $1 million in this contract, 924,000. Now take a look at this. I put in 2.7 BNB. I've already received out 1.41 BNB. I literally have compounded 10 times. Here's the part about your cart. I'm not claiming it right now. I got a half a BNB right now, 0.54. If I claimed it right now, $318 times 0.54. If I claimed it right now, I would get paid $172. But why would I do that when I still have 8 more hours? Right here, look at the timer. I have 8 more hours, 22 minutes and 57 seconds for my cart to fill up. Imagine being at the grocery store and the 6th day they keep filling your cart up, but the cart's not going to be filled up to the 7th day. Well, on the beginning of the 7th day, you still got a whole 24 hours for the manager to fill up the cart. Wouldn't you wait for the cart to be completely filled up and say, oh, these are all my free groceries? Oh, inflation is killing me. Let me get the cart completely filled up. So I can claim this right now and get $171. But in 8 hours and 22 minutes, it's probably going to be like $191. So I'm just going to sit patiently. In 8 hours from now and 22 minutes, I'm going to actually claim this BNB, and then literally I'm going to be getting close to my ROI to basically breaking even. So both of these projects I'll link at the bottom, USDC Crop Farmers and BNB Crop Farmers. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Do me a favor in the bottom, give me your comments. Are you involved in USDC Crop Farmers? Are you involved in BNB Crop Farmers? Did you get in the beginning one, the BUSD Crop Farmers? These projects, I love it because they have that 80% tax. You have to follow a system. Oh, also this too. That 8 hours, if I forgot to come back in 8 hours and I came back 2 days from now, no more extra rewards are going to go in there. That's another whale thing. A whale can't just get into the program, wait 20 days, and let all the rewards gather up. Once the cart is full, it doesn't get any more fuller. So 8 hours and 22 minutes from now, I'll have a maximum reward. If I waited 2 more days, the reward would be exactly the same. So you actually have to be involved in the game. You have to actually click some things, make you have a little strategy here. You compound for 5 days and you let the cart fill up for 2. Once the carts completely fill up, don't forget for a day or 2 because you're not going to lose rewards, but you won't get any more rewards. All right, let's head back over to Terra Luna. All right, back over here at Terra Luna. What is my price prediction? Oh, look at that. When we started this video, they were up 74%. Now the coin is up 83%. So here's my price prediction. The coin's going to keep going up. Do I know how high it's going to go up? Nobody knows. I'm actually, again, I invested $100 into this project. I'm hoping the thing goes to a penny. If it goes to a penny, I'll have like $10,000. But it's also to help the community. So if you do invest in this, do your own homework, go to PancakeSwap or KuCoins. Either of those are good. But my price prediction is the coin is going to go up. I believe Terra Luna is going to try to bring this coin back. So thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button. Click over here so you can learn about USDC Crop Farmers, and click over here so you can learn about BNB Crop Farmers. Also wanted to bring all my viewers, I am starting a second channel. I'm going to be linking it in the bottom, not today, but over the time. We're starting a sports channel. That's right, Frank's Crypto Corner is a sports fanatic. I love the Browns, I love football, I love the Super Bowl, I love baseball, I love watching basketball. By the way, did you see that the Miami Heat yesterday beat Boston? They're up 2-1. I'm not going to cover it on this channel, but I am going to be starting a second channel in the next day or so about sports. I don't know the exact name of it yet. I will know the name, but just letting the viewers know, if any of my crypto friends are into sports, remember, Tom Brady is always getting into something. He's doing a trade, and it's cryptocurrency. Odell Beckham actually last year got his contract paid in Bitcoin. So there's a lot of players that are actually getting paid out in cryptocurrency. If you're not into sports, no big deal. But if you are in the sports, it's an extra little treat. All right, everybody, today's Sunday. You have a fantastic day.